Alright, yo, what's up guys, my name's Kit, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Wyze Cam version 2, Wyze Labs Warehouse. Let's go ahead and get started. This was originally supposed to be sent during March. It is now February. And I believe it was due to manufacturing issues. Oh, it's opening like this, I see. So due to manufacturing issues, I believe there was dust on the sensors, so they had to redo that. And it took about an extra month to get this sent out. And because of that, they sent me an extra cable as well. So cool, let's just see what is inside. So the extra cable contains this, oh, it's an extension cable, I see. Alright, okay. And here we have the Wyze Cam itself. Let's see, night vision, 14 days, free cloud recording, 8 times digital zoom. Let's look at this here. Model, etc., blah blah blah. Alright, 1080p, full HD, two-way audio, motion detection. And I bought this for $25, including shipping. It's actually $20, and the shipping was $6. Actually, it's $26. So yeah, it's a Wyze Cam. Opening it up, we have the camera. Very nice. Small little cube, rectangular cube. Let's go ahead and open this. There we go. Camera, we got our USB, micro USB, wait, is that called micro? I'm not sure. I forgot. Whatever. And I think this can, yes, it can pull out like so. And you can rotate it. I see. Okay. So yeah, there's the camera. Let's see what else is inside. Okay, camera housing. We got another box here. Let's see from this side. Alright, so we have the cable. So USB to micro USB cable. Then we got this thing. What's this for? Okay, I think it might be for, because this is a magnet. Yep, okay. So you could paste this onto your wall. Then you clip this on like so to mount the camera. Alright, very neat idea. Just have a metal plate with sticky tape. Cool. Adhesive. And then we got our charging thing, adapter. There we go. Alright, and that's basically it. So yeah, extension cable, USB adapter, mounting thingy, mounting steel thingy, whatever that is, tape, glue, whatever, the camera itself, and another cable. Alright, that's pretty much it. Peace out.